everybody, it's Michelle, and you may remember this little guy here from a couple of my previous videos. I did him first as a punch art mouse, and then second I put him onto a Christmas card and added this little present between his hands here. So if you guys didn't get a chance to see those videos, I'll link to those up in the corner. And today we've got something different to do with him. I told you guys from the beginning that I had a really cute idea for this mouse, and that's the one we're going to be doing today. First of all, we're going to take away his little present, and that just peeled right off with my little sticky foam tab there. And what I've done is create him a couple of friends, and I just did some different positioning with their arms and the little tails and all of that. So we're going to be doing 3 blind mice. I think this is such a cute idea. I couldn't wait to do it. As it turns out, I probably could have done this for you guys much sooner. My idea was for their little walking cane that the blind mice have, I wanted to use a candy cane die. And the set that I found online with a candy cane in it actually turned out to be much too large of a cane, I think, for my little mice. And like I told you guys before, these egg-shaped dies and everything that I used here are in a stacking set, so if you wanted to create a larger mouse, this would still work. And I think this is a really cute set anyway, with the mug and the marshmallows and the candy cane and all of that. And I may use this for some other stuff later on. I really love it. But for the cane, for my mice, it was a little bit large for what I wanted. So I ended up going with a die set that I already had, and I think it's going to work out great. And that is my umbrella set here. I still have yet to use this set as an umbrella. You guys may remember I used the topper here for bat wings for my punch art bats last year, I think, at Halloween. And I'll include the link to that video up in the corner as well for you guys. But I went back to this for the cane for my mice. And I didn't use the top or the little handle piece. I just used the long stem here. And the scale and the width of the handle is about right, and it was a little too long. So all I did was just cut them down a little bit. And here are 2 that I already made. And this is how that started out originally. It's quite a bit longer. So I just held the first one up to my mouse and decided how long I wanted it to be and just cut it right there. And all I did was just cut a curved edge, and I'm just going to use this one here for a guide. So they'll all end up about the same size. And I just cut that out of some wood grain paper. That was from my Miss Sparkle & Company paper pad that I got at Joann. And I thought it was perfect. That dark wood color is exactly what I wanted for my mice. So the idea for the blind mice came really when I was working with my bow die. You guys may remember this. I used it on my tag here. I used it on a teddy bear when I turned him into a Christmas bear, and on some of my wreaths. And that's what gave me the idea, although it's not the same bow that I used here. This one has the bow that has the loops in the middle, another piece that makes tails that come straight out, and then this piece that makes the tails that hang down. I have another set of dies that has the bow loops and then the tails that come out to the side only, but it's in 3 different sizes. So I took the smallest of those and I used only the part that makes the loops, and I cut those out in black. And I'm not going to fold them and loop them or do anything. I'm just going to lay those right on as our blind mice sunglasses. And I think it is so cute, you guys. I first had this idea when I was cutting out to make my first bow, and I saw that loop piece. It immediately made me think of sunglasses. So I really wanted to do the blind mice. So now that we've got our mice all ready from our punch art project, and we've got our canes from our umbrella stem. And we've got our sunglasses from our bows. Now all we have to do is just assemble it all together. And if you want to, when you're making these, I was just making multiples of the mice when I first discovered that. But if you want to make blind mice from the beginning, you can just go ahead and leave the eyes off if you want to. But in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and go right over them with some little black foam squares. And I was just so surprised at how perfectly that bow fit across there as the sunglasses. And just as regular sunglasses, if not for the blind mice, the sunglasses would be great to use in a lot of summer cards and layouts. I think that would be a lot of fun. Okay, so I've got my foam tabs on there. And I'm just going to peel off all of the little backers. And then we're simply going to put those right straight across. And how cute is that already? I love that. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of art glitter glue and glue those to their hands. I'm going to readjust that one just slightly. And just give those a few seconds to dry. And then when it's dry enough, you can just take off the tweezers there that was holding it in place. Scrape away any of the excess glue. And there are your 3 blind mice. I think they're so adorable. You guys leave a comment below and let me know if you like them too. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a like over on my Facebook page. And be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram. And don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.